Most of us use garbage bins of various sizes: small, medium, or large. Garbage bags that fit over the mouth of our bins are expensive and hard to find. Whether that be the 32-gallon and upwards. Wouldn't it be convenient for us to have bags that covers the entire mouth of our bins so that our bins don't get dirty? Introducing Bagez, the world's first garbage bag holder that fits all your bins. Bagez sits inside your bin. Add your Bagez clips. Now any size bag you wish will be held firmly. When bags reach capacity, simply tie your bag, drop, and add a new bag. With Bagez, your bins stay consistently clean, avoiding the need to ever wash your bins ever again. Bagez makes disposing waste easy.